To find your Bitcoin wallet address on the Coinbase app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the accounts icon, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of all your wallets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other cryptocurrencies you have on the platform. Look for the Bitcoin wallet and tap on it. You will then be taken to the Bitcoin wallet page where you can see your current balance and transaction history. To find your Bitcoin wallet address, tap on the Receive button. On the Receive page, you will see a QR code and a long string of characters below it. This is your Bitcoin wallet address. You can tap on the copy icon next to the address to copy it to your clipboard. You can also share your address by tapping on the share icon. This will allow you to share your address with others via email or text message. It is very important to keep your Bitcoin wallet address safe and only share it with trusted individuals. It is also important to note that Coinbase generates a new address for each transaction to increase security and protect user privacy. However, you can still use the same address for multiple transactions if you prefer. To find your previous addresses, tap on the Bitcoin wallet page and then tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Transaction History and look for the received transactions. The address associated with each transaction will be displayed. It is always a good idea to double-check the address before sharing it with others or using it to receive Bitcoin. This will ensure that your funds are sent to the correct address and that you do not lose any Bitcoin due to an incorrect address. By following these steps, you can easily find your Bitcoin wallet address on the Coinbase app and use it to receive Bitcoin from others.